Feel so high, like the beats start coming up into the sky. I can make it if I try. It's bliss to be waking up to the sound of the birds and golden sunshine.
I think it's so important because there's so many neurodivergent people out there who are struggling to be heard mainly. And events like this are just so important for giving people, neurodivergent people, a voice. It can be really hard being neurodivergent in a mostly neurotypical world, and especially given that we're constantly learning new things about neurodiverse people and the effects that a neurotypical world can have on those people. And I just, like, for example, from my experience, I struggled a lot in school, for example, and felt like I wasn't always understood necessarily. I certainly didn't understand myself. I think it's really important for parents to have the right support as well to support their children who are neurodivergent, because it's very easy to be misunderstood.
No more waiting for the future, no more travelling to the past. Yeah, I'm completely in the moment, and I'm flying pretty fast.